In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Zoom account. Whether you're planning to host virtual meetings, attend online classes, or catch up with friends, knowing how to set up a Zoom account is super handy. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring it's clear and straightforward. First, you'll want to open your favorite web browser and head over to Google by typing in google.com in the address bar. Once there, in the search bar, type Zoom account sign up and hit the enter key. This search will direct you to the relevant pages where you can initiate the sign up process. From the search results, look for the official Zoom website link that mentions sign up free. Click on this link to proceed. This action will take you directly to the Zoom sign up page. It's important to make sure you're on the official Zoom site to avoid any potential scams or fake websites. Once you're on the Zoom sign up page, you'll need to input your birth year. This step is crucial as Zoom needs to verify your age to comply with their service policies. Enter your birth year in the provided space and then continue to confirm this information. Zoom offers various methods to complete your registration, and one of the most convenient is by using a Google account. On the sign up page, you'll see options for different sign up methods. Here, let's choose the Google method for ease and quick access. Click on the Google sign up option. Next, you'll be prompted to select your preferred Gmail account if you're already signed in on your browser. Choose the Gmail account you wish to associate with your Zoom profile. This step is essential as it ties your Zoom activities to this email, simplifying the process of login and notifications. After selecting your Gmail account, Zoom may ask you to continue with a confirmation step. This ensures that you acknowledge the link between Zoom and your Google account, facilitating easier access in future logins. Simply confirm your choice to proceed. Finally, you're almost set. You'll see an option to create your account. Click on the Create Account button to finalize your registration. Congratulations, you now have your very own Zoom account ready to use. By following these steps, setting up your Zoom account is a breeze. Remember, Zoom allows you to connect and communicate easily from anywhere in the world. Whether it's a professional meeting or a fun virtual hangout, your new account is all set up for you to start exploring.